Good morning and welcome to Fluxx Conference 2025. And we have with us Dr. Charles Ng. He's the founder and a naturopath for Integrative Plan, tech skincare specialist, and he has been awarded as a Natural Puff of the Year, which is a very unique title for an award. How does it feel to receive a very unique award for a very unique personality?
Thank you so much, Talia. Okay, I feel really honored and humbled by the recognition that was given to me by the Fluxx team. And it just feels great to be here.
What is naturopath? We would like to know because as a newbie, I wouldn't understand what it is.
So basically, a naturopath deals with natural medicine, and natural medicine we deal it with at a preventive as a preventive approach, as well as a holistic approach. So I think I would say it's in synergy with mainstream Western medical practice. So, and what we do is that we combine, at least for my profession and my job scope, I actually combine Western medical and mainstream practices into with science, and I'll merge it with botanical extracts, botanical research, and also to address very specifically skincare conditions at a holistic level as well.
Wow.
So the reason for my
It's not
approach-
only the anti-aging and all; it goes to the
No.
vast.
Yes, correct. So basically, I think everybody has some kind of
Yeah.
skincare issues or concerns, we'll call it. So what I do is that I actually seek a more, I would say, a long-standing, more sustainable approach, such that they don't have to keep facing the same issues over and over
Yes,
again.
yes.
Because I think the last thing you want is for clients to fix one issue and another issue suddenly pops up.
Pops up
You know, it
because-
triggers a whole
Yes.
myriad of different conditions again.
Yeah.
So I don't think anyone should be subjected to this kind of trauma. Because I was a survivor of very severe acne in my younger days, and being a sporty person, I'm also susceptible to hyperpigmentation treatments. So it goes a long way back whereby I started feeling what my clients are feeling, and because I had a personal connection, not just to my own condition, but also at an empathetic level, how my clients themselves, they feel that they really want to get rid of their problems, or at least make the problems go away without having to come
Or
back
just
for the
make
rest
it
of their
like
lives.
better, so that they don't want to suffer anymore.
Yeah.
And once you're on a path to get like if your skin fixed or anything, you just do every and anything, and it
Yes.
kind of just messes it up more.
Yes, correct. And I sometimes it's like when you fix, you get to a solution, you like the results, but the results often don't sustain itself. So I don't want to just be reactive to treat the symptoms. I want to also inject this element of preventive approach that is also sustainable, such that he or she, regardless of gender, ethnicity, because all of us are genetically different in some ways, from one another.
Yeah.
So I want to develop systems, treatment protocols that really celebrate the unique diversity of every individual from every different part of the world, such that no matter where it goes, it works like a clockwork.
Yeah.
You know, everybody can enjoy the fruits of at least the research and the hard work that I put in,
Exactly.
like from 20 years ago, and they can feel that there's a peace of mind. Elderly can get it, adults can have it, even young children can experience the benefits of long-term naturopathic treatments that is backed by science, backed by modern medicine, and backed by proper scientific and data research.
But I would say, like, when it comes to skin and medicines, in a way, people can be very scared to even try. So, how do you overcome such challenges? And as you are here at a Flux event, which is in Qatar, is your reaction or the people reaction to your new upcoming collaboration of normal medicines and botanic medicines?
The response has been very, very encouraging because I think that I'm in the company of visionaries and people who have high awareness.
Yeah.
So I think this is a kind of family, my work family, my Fluxx family, the fellow awardees, they have been very encouraging, and because they understood where I was coming from and they could see the rational approach that is not purely fluff or marketing or it just sounds so exciting. They can actually understand, it's actually a step-by-step scientific and rational process to
Yeah.
derive such a protocol that will actually bring more good to the world, and also not just the good, but also it's a sustainable approach. Sustainable in terms of effects, sustainable in terms of your emotional side, sustainable in terms of the financial part as well. We can't be chasing after results that are very hard to achieve because it's very costly. It costs your life, it costs your finances, it costs your mental strain. No one should be subjected to that. And I think that my approach is, in a way, I would say it's integrative and it's also simplistic. Yeah, so people feel that there's a peace of mind. And where there's a peace of mind, it builds trust. And with trust, it comes with acceptance. And acceptance comes with, it will soon, I hope, that it can become more mainstream.
Yeah, because you know what, if one person had a good experience, I'm going to be like, you know what, I had a good experience with this person and I would like to have. So when you are in the Middle East, is there a market or is it a place that anybody can consult you, or if anybody wants to come forward?
Right. Currently, I'm based in Singapore, so I did get quite a few interests, about opening the Middle East market and Indian market in India and even China. I'm very happy and very thankful for even such an opportunity to even come to my ears. Actually, what I would be doing in the days ahead is that I will actually be further refining my protocol such that it will work regardless whether Charles is there or not. I think that should be the way, because everyone in
once the product is made, then it's like, you know what, Charles is there or not, he's just did the thing.
Correct. So it's my responsibility to make sure that the therapists or specialists that in a franchise or product distribution, they understand how to use the products, and it doesn't require too much of a technical knowledge to use the products. There is a protocol that guarantees a certain percentage of, I would say, I would aim for a high success rate of above 90%, for all my clients. Even if they are not directly my clients, they are just friends that I've not met. You want to do something good for your friends, for your family. And I think that in a world that is pretty segmented now, I think that the last thing it wants is segregation.
100%.
And I think that I can, in the powers that I have, the limited little power that I have, I want to make people understand that we stand by each other. Skin may be just skin, looks may be just looks. It's superficial, but the thing is that we cannot deny that we are all mere mortals with very definite time in this world. We need to feel great about ourselves so we can project this energy out to the people around us. When your friends, your colleagues, your business partners, they feel this energy from you, they would themselves cultivate themselves and be better people for someone else. And it might sound cliche, but I think it's really true that all of us have this little spark of power to make the world a better place. And because of this passion, and I would say it's not just passion for me, I've been doing this for 20 over years. I'm 48 this year. I spent my entire 30s not going out, not going on holidays, missing a lot of social connection, because I really, really wanted to develop something in mind. At that time, it was very sketchy. I didn't know what was it, but I knew that was the direction that I want to hit. So I'm really thankful that at least at this current juncture, I could realize part of it. I think there's so much more that I want to do. There's so much more I can do. I'm looking forward to work with even more researchers, more phytochemists, more engineers, more industry professionals, business professionals, or healthcare professionals to bring this to the next level together. It doesn't belong to Charles alone. I think what I developed wasn't for personal glory or personal ego or trying to prove something. I just wanted to give. I think this is something that is very powerful, and I still feel very passionate about it after so many years.
That's
actually.
amazing, because it's like a win-win situation, because we are winning and you are winning. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much,
Congratulations
Talia.
on your
Thank you
award.
so much.
And we're going to see you and your company glow, because we would like to glow as well, the way you are, which is gorgeous.
Thank you.
And on that note, be kind, take care of yourself, and this is Talia MK signing off.